Hello my friends, today I have this for you. This template for Fusion Davinci Resolve you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. And let's get to it. Alright, let's start making intro. First, make a new timeline, create new timeline. Now you will take the picture or video what you have, just like this, and right click and new Fusion clip. And now we will go inside the Fusion. Once it's inside the Fusion, we will click on the media in, and we will choose the resize tool, just like this. And then we will change the resolution. If a picture or video is too big, we will change the resolution to 1920 times 1080. This is for full HD. And now we will go in the templates and folder where you extracted the file. In my case it's in design, and then we will just drag and drop intro cute girl, just like this. Connect resize to the yellow arrow like this. Connect the cube to the yellow arrow on media out, and this is all that you have to do. This whole composition is done in 60 fps and 5 seconds. And now we will go back and edit, and you will see these hearts are popping out. And when you go on 4 seconds and longer, you will see this template is sliding up and down and reveal the picture or video underneath. And now when I go inside the Fusion and click on this, and I will show you what's going on here. You will see connection from the media in. This one is go inside the last merge here, and from the merge go inside the media out. First we have here, this is the particle emitter, and you can change the numbers, how much hearts you want. You can increase, you just go on the frame number 0, and here you can increase the number. If you increase to, for example, number 1, then this means that every frame will pop 1 heart. This is too much for me, so I just leave at 10 seconds. Actually every 10 frames 1 heart will pop. And then here is the last heart here on 239 frames, and when you go on 240, hearts will stop popping out, and then this background will reveal. So again, if you want to change, you just go on the frame number 0 and change to any number if you want, and go inside the last one here and change exactly the same number. This is for the hearts. Next one is the text here. Text will be, obviously you can change the font, you can change the text what you want, but I just written here cute girl. And then these 2 rectangles, this is the two bars that are sliding, and then after at 4 second mark, then just reveal a picture. And the shape of the particle emitters, these hearts you can change. This is the text. I choose fonts, web things, and so if I change to something else for this example, I will get another shape, as you can see, just like this. And now I have bicycles. So just to reveal, the heart is Y, shift and Y. This is big Y. If you put the small y, you will get another symbol. And if you don't want the text, you want something else, some other shape, you just take the bitmap and link inside the particle emitter, and then you will get these small pictures popping out. And for the size, you can go inside the background here and change the size of the picture, and then increase the text a little bit, and then you will get a bigger picture that will be for these particle emitters. Next, here is the background. You can obviously change to other color. And next one, this big part here is for the reveal. That one is go up and one is go down. And basically that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.